Immobiliser fit, it's a 2023 full-size Range Rover with a Halo Plus immobiliser. So a thief gets the key, does a relay attack, copies the key, drills a hole, starts the car. When they get in and select a gear, the car's going to cut out. See, it's cut out. So the thief's not going to know what's going on, the vehicle's cut out, but you're also going to get a phone call to let you know someone's in the vehicle, messing around with it, trying to steal it. There you go, it's ringing us. So if you're not around, you're going to know someone's in it. If the thief's silly enough to try for a second time, you're going to start it up. When they put it in gear, car's going to cut out. Horn's going to go mad, and we'll silence it with our PIN code. If the thief didn't have that PIN code, obviously they wouldn't be able to disarm it. And once again, we're getting a second phone call, letting us know they're still in the vehicle, they've tried it again. If you're around, you're going to hear the horn. If you're a couple minutes away, you're going to get a phone call. You're going to know someone's in your vehicle messing around with it. To drive it normally, all you've got to do is start the car, go through a code, 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Hear a disarm, double bleep, and you can drive. If not, you can have your phone in your pocket, just have your Bluetooth on, turn your Bluetooth on, get in and start, double bleep straight away, you can drive off. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393, we're Immobiliser Fit, this is a Halo Plus, calls you, mobilise the vehicle, push sequence, phone pairing, calls you, fires the horn. This is the Halo Plus, thanks for watching.